Now I want to demonstrate some new features inside Lightroom Classic with the masking tool. Because it's now 2022, it's February 2022, and in 2021, in December, Lightroom gets the masking tool, and there's some local adjustments get it shifted around a little bit. And how you can work with this and how you can improve your speed when working and changing colors, for example, here inside Lightroom on an image, this is what you will learn right now. So when I want to change this orange over here, I just had to go to the U, press on the donut, click here and shift the U. And so you see, okay, it's getting a little bit bad because the colors of the skin get shifted as well. So the U shift, as mentioned in the video before, shifts all the colors in the whole image. And one option is here to go to masking, and here in masking you have the color range icon. And when I go to this and press on the orange, you see, oh, I select this orange over here, but also the orange over here as well, because the color range is too tight at the skin tone. I can refine the color when I slide the slider to the left, but you see, no, this will work, or this doesn't work as well. So what you can do is the following. Just delete this mask, and just go to delete mask and create a brush. And with the brush you can go in and just brush over this region like this. I will also change the color to a more vibrant color that's not so tight at the skin tones. I really love to take this vibrant green or yellowish green like this and close over here. And now when I now change the color, I would change everything on this region. But you can combine this, and to do this you have to hold down the option key, and here you have the mask with the brush, and you can add to the brush, add to the mask with some other tools, or you can subtract also with the tools. But the cool thing is, if you hold down the option key, you can intersect. And intersecting means that I have this brush over here, and when I now intersect with the color range and press here on the orange, I just will select inside the brush all the orange tones. That's cool. Now I can hide my overlay, go here to the hue slider, and now slide the hue exactly where I want to have it. If I want to have fine adjustments, I can choose the fine adjustments as well, and maybe put down a little bit of the saturation. Now I will double click on the mask and call this orange box and press on OK. And if I have the same box on other images, like here, then I can go in and copy this, Command Shift C. Here I want to copy my orange box, copy this, go to the image where the orange box is as well, like here, and paste it with this button on the left. And now I can go to the mask, activate the mask, and just see where the brush was. The brush is just here, and I deselect this intersecting mask so that you see the brush that's here, and this one is the color range. I activate it again, and so I have the color range intersecting with the brush, and I just select this region over here. So if you're working smart and you combine different masking modes or tools, you can really fast select image regions, part of the image, and just change it in a way you want to change.